Drones are increasingly a vital tool for search and rescue for finding missing people lost in the wilderness. But pilots are forced to split their time between actually flying the drone and searching through video. We work to develop a new workflow that hopes to solve this inefficiency by using 5G technology to allow remote co-pilots and powerful machine learning to assist in spotting, saving precious hours and hopefully saving lives.
T-Mobile is always on the lookout for new and emerging device types, and we see connected drones as a way to unlock the next generation of drone operations. This includes flights such as beyond visual line of sight, drone delivery, and infrastructure inspection.
Right now, when a search and rescue team wants to upgrade their equipment, they have to buy entirely new drones or expensive proprietary hardware. By using 5G technology and an entirely parallel system, we can enable open-sourced additions and offload the computing to the cloud. We learn in this program not to have a solution in search of a problem. So before we started building our product, we actually talked to search and rescue professionals. We tried to identify their pain points. We tried to figure out where we could improve their workflow and how we could help. And as we went along in the process, all of our design decisions were based on grounding it actually in the real world.
We set up weekly virtual check-ins and really allowed the students to drive the agenda from milestone completion and road mapping out to a final product. I think in a more traditional classroom project, everything is a lot more prescripted and the end result is clearly defined. We came to this group with an open question of having a connected drone for good and really let the students explore use cases and define how they were going to develop this project and deliver an end product.
We'd like to truly thank everyone on the T-Mobile team for all of the support and help that we got. It's our hope that even beyond this technology, this can serve as an inspiration for people to innovate for social good.